Kansas City is getting ready to take the global stage. With the World Cup coming this summer, thousands of visitors will be coming in from around the world. At the center of it all is Arrowhead Stadium, home of the Kansas City Chiefs, and one of the host venues for this year's World Cup. This iconic stadium is known for its energy, its atmosphere, and one of the loudest fan bases of all sports. But beyond the stadium, Kansas City is filled with areas where visitors can experience the best the city has to offer. If you find yourself in the southwest part of the metro, one place you'll want to check out is Lenexa City Center. This area was created with a live, work, play lifestyle in mind, bringing together shops, offices, restaurants, hotels, and even residential living, all in a layout that's easy to get around and enjoy. You can park once and explore it all, which is exactly what I did here, walking the entire area in one big loop and ending right back up where I started. Our first stop is the Lenexa Public Market. This is really one of the centerpieces of the entire city center area. As you walk up, you can already tell this is more than just a great place to grab food. It's designed to bring people together, whether you're meeting friends, bringing the family, or just stopping by to try something new. This is actually a community-driven food hall that highlights a mix of local chefs and small businesses, all under one roof. And what makes it unique is the variety. You're not locked into one type of food. You've got everything from fresh bakery items to coffee to global cuisine from all over the world. So whether you're here for a quick bite or planning to hang out for a while, this is definitely one of the main spots you'll want to check out. As you walk in, it really opens up right away with plenty of seating throughout the main area. You've got a coffee and bakery spot right up front, and over to the right, there's a small cafe along with a little book area you can browse through. It's the kind of setup where you can grab something to eat, find a spot, and just hang out for a little while. You'll find a lineup of local vendors offering everything from made-to-order pizza and fresh salads to authentic international dishes. You'll see coffee, bakery items, and even rotating concepts that bring in new food experiences throughout the year. So no matter what you're in the mood for, there's a really good chance you'll find it here. Before we head out, let's go upstairs and check out the additional seating area. From up here, you actually get a really nice overlook of the main level, so you can kind of take in this whole space from a different perspective. It's a great spot to get away for a bit, whether you're studying, reading, or just looking for somewhere quieter to relax. With the library right next door, you can easily grab something to read, come back up here, and just enjoy your own little space for a while. Let's go back outside to head on to the next location. From here, we head down Primrose Lane toward the south side of the entertainment district, where we'll be checking out a few more restaurants, cafes, and spots to grab a drink. First up in this area is Saint's Pub. It's a great spot to catch a game, grab some good food, and hang out with friends. I've always liked the atmosphere here, especially out on the patio where you can sit back and enjoy a few drinks. As someone that's been here quite a few times, they have a made-from-scratch menu with everything from wings and burgers to pasta and salads. There's a lot of variety depending on what you're in the mood for. With all the TVs inside and the patio outside, gives you the best of both worlds if you want to catch a game with your friends or just relax. From here, we head across Renner Boulevard and make our way back north to our next stop, Grand Street Cafe. This is tucked into the ground level of one of the larger buildings here at Lenexa City Center. It's a spot you might not immediately notice from the outside, especially coming up from this direction, but once you get inside, it really opens up. Grand Street Cafe offers a more elevated dining experience with a scratch kitchen and a menu that ranges from small plates and flatbreads to seafood steaks and house-made desserts. It's a great option for just about anything, whether that's a date night, business lunch, or meeting up with friends for happy hour. The atmosphere is a little more upscale, but still really comfortable and inviting. And like a lot of places around here, you've got outdoor seating as well, which fits right into the overall feel of the city center. As we walk up, this is the outdoor seating on the back side of the cafe. The entrance will be around front, and we'll take you there now. And as you can see, the main entrance isn't immediately obvious from the back side of the building, but once you round the corner, the actual entrance comes into view in this little shop area. The one time I was here was for Thanksgiving dinner, and it was a great experience. Our next stop is going to be Jack Stack Barbecue, and if you're visiting Kansas City and want a really solid introduction to Kansas City barbecue, this is a great place to start. There are multiple locations around the metro, but this Lenexa City Center location fits perfectly into the atmosphere out here. The barbecue itself is really good, but honestly, one thing that makes Jack Stack stand out are the sides. Their cheesy corn is kind of legendary around Kansas City. The baked beans are outstanding, and they've also got things like fried mushrooms and a giant onion ring tower that are worth coming here for by themselves. It's one of those places that works whether you're introducing someone to Kansas City barbecue for the first time or you've lived here your whole life and just want a really good meal. We're going to head over across the street one more time to our final two stops here in the main area, Tupelo Honey Kitchen and Martin City Brewing Company. After that, we've got one more spot about a mile down the road that we'll wrap up the tour in this area with. These are the final two locations here in the heart of the Lenexa City Center. As we walk up to Tupelo Honey, one of the first things you'll notice is the outdoor seating and patio area. It's a great spot to enjoy the weather, especially if you're looking to relax with family and friends over a few drinks and a light snack. Their happy hour specials, including discounted drinks and half-price starters, make it a really easy place to start your evening. And conveniently located just across the street is Martin City Brewery. Martin City has grown to one of the more recognizable local brewery brands around Kansas City, with multiple locations throughout the metro. Along with their craft beer selection, they've also built a reputation for good food, a relaxed atmosphere, and solid happy hour options. Both spots fit really well into the overall feel of the Lenexa City Center and give you even more variety depending on what kind of night you're looking for. Our final stop, located about a mile down the road, is Brewbakers Bar and Grill. This spot brings more of that classic neighborhood sports bar atmosphere, with plenty of TVs, pool tables, games, daily specials, and a really relaxed environment to hang out with friends and enjoy a few drinks. Compared to some of the more polished and upscale spots around Lenexa City Center, Brewbakers gives you a more casual, energetic vibe, especially if there's a game on. It's the kind of place where you can settle in for a while, grab some food, catch a game, and just enjoy the atmosphere. And with that, that's going to wrap up our tour of the Lenexa City Center and some of the surrounding spots nearby. Hopefully this gives you a few ideas the next time you find yourself in this area. Make sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments if you've checked out any of these spots or if there's something in the Lenexa City Center that I missed and should check out myself next time.